Welcome to chapter 1 of Pure Mathematics AS book. Okay, well, today we will tackle 1.1, which is simplifying. Okay, so let's look at the index laws at the top right corner. Okay, so and let's get on with it. So question 1a, we have x cubed times x to the power of 4. What we'll do is we will add the powers, which is just x to the power of 7. 1b, okay, slightly more challenging. It's 2x cubed times 3x squared. Well, we have to multiply the coefficients, so that will be 6, and now add the indices. So x cubed times x squared is just x to the power of 5. 1c, okay, this time we deal with the quotient. Okay, so when we have a quotient, we just subtract the powers. So 3 take away 2 is 1. So that's k to the power of 1, or just k. 1d. Okay, we have another quotient, this time with coefficients. So 4p cubed divided by 2p. Well, this is equal to divide the coefficient. So that's 2. Subtract the power. Remember, if there is no number, it's power to the 1. So 3 take away 1 is 2. So that's 2p squared. Okay, 1e. Again, we have a quotient, so 3x cubed divided by 3x squared. Divide the coefficient, so that's just 1. Subtract the powers. 3 take away 2 is 1, so that's 1x to the 1, which is just x. 1f. We have y squared to the power of 5. Okay, we'll have a product. Okay, I will just multiply the powers. Okay, so I have y. 2 times 5 is 10, so that's y to the power of 10. 1g. Okay, we have another quotient just written differently, so 10x to the 5 divided by 2x cubed. 10 divided by 2 is, of course, 5, and then x to the 5 divided by x to the 3 is x squared. Okay, good start. Okay, let's carry on. So 1h. Okay, we have p cubed all squared divided by p to the 4. Let's do it step by step. The first part is 3 times 2 is 6, so that's p to the 6 divided by p to the 4, which of course is p squared. Okay, 1i. What do we have? We have 2a cubed all squared divided by 2a cubed. Again, let's do it step by step. This time we have a coefficient in the brackets, which we need to multiply out. So 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 4. A cubed squared is a to the power of 6. Divide that by 2a to the power of 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 6 take away 3 is 3. Okay, 1j. Okay, I have 8 p to the power of 4 divided by 4p cubed. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 take away 3 is 1, so that's 2 p to the power of 1, which of course is just 2p. Let's carry on. 1k. I have 2a to the 4 times 3a to the power of 5. 2 times 3 is 6, and 4 plus 5 is 9, so 6a to the power of 9. 1l. Okay, let's write it out first. So that's 21a cubed b to the 7 divided by 7a b to the 4. Well, 21 divided by 7 is 3. A cubed divided by a is just a squared. and b7 divided by b to the power of 4 is b to the power of 3. 1m. We have 9x squared multiplied by 3 into x squared all to the power of 3. Let's leave the first bit alone, so that's 9x squared times 3x to the power of 6, and that is now 27x to the power of 8. 1n. We have 3x cubed times 2x squared times 4x to the power of 6. Okay, what do I have now? Let's multiply the coefficients first. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. Let's add the power. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, so that's 24x to the power of 11. 1, 0. We have 7a to the 4 multiplied by, in the bracket, so be careful, 3a to the 4 all squared. That is, let's leave the first part alone, so that's going to be still 7a to the 4 times 3a to the power of 4. So 3 squared is 9, and a to the power of 4 squared is 88. So the answer is 63a to the power of 12. Okay, 1p. So let's write it out first. 4y cubed, all cubed, divided by 2y cubed. So that is 4 cubed is 64. So that's 64y to the power of 9 divided by 2y to the power of 3. So that's 32y to the power of 6. Okay, and 1 cube. Let's see, we have 2a cubed divided by 3a squared multiplied by 6a to the power of 5. Since multiplication is commutative, I'm going to do 2a cubed times 6a to the 5 first, so it's going to be 12a to the power of 8 divided by 3a squared, and that is simply 4a to the power of 6. And finally, on r, we have 3a to the power of 4 times 2a to the power of 5 times a cubed. Multiply the coefficients first, that's 6. Multiply the powers of a. 4 times 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Okay. Thank you very much. That was exercise 1a, question 1. Welcome. Let's continue with algebraic expressions, exercise 1a. Now we'll do question 2. Okay, so let's start 2a. Well, we're expanding now, so 9 into x minus 2. We'll multiply everything in the bracket by the coefficient of 9, so that will be 9x minus 18. Okay, 2b, we have x into x plus 9. X times x is just x squared. X times 9 is 9x. 2c. Now we have to be careful with the negative sign, so minus 3y into 4 minus 3y. Minus 3y times 4 will be negative 12y. Minus 3y times minus 3y will be plus 9y squared. Question 2d. X into y plus 5 times y is just xy. Let's write it in alphabetical form. So that will be xy plus 5x 2e negative x into 3x plus 5. 3x times x is 3x squared, but it's going to be negative. Take away 5x. 2f. We have negative 5x into 4x plus 1. That is negative 20 x squared negative, well, take away 5x. Let's do 2g. We have in the brackets 4x plus 5 times x. Okay, 4x times x is just 4x squared plus 5x and 2h. We have negative 3y into 5 take away 2y squared. That will be negative 15y plus 6y cubed. 2i negative 2x into 5x minus 4. That will be negative 10x squared plus 8x. 2j. We have in the brackets 3x take away 5 divided by x squared, so that is 3x cubed minus 5x squared. 2k. Okay, let's see. So we have 3 into x plus 2 plus, in the brackets, that's important, x take away 7. So let's factorize the first bracket. So that's 3x plus 6 plus x minus 7. So that equals to 4x. 6 take away 7 is take away 1. Okay, to L. We have 5x minus 6 minus, in the brackets, 3x minus 2. So that's 5x minus 6, just copy that, minus 3x, minus and minus is plus, so that's plus 2. So that equals 5x minus 3x is 2x, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Okay, let's give us some more space, so 2m. We have 4 into c plus 3d squared minus 3 into 2c plus d squared, so that is 4c plus 12d squared minus 6c minus 3d squared. 4c take away 6c is minus 2c. 12d squared take away 3d squared is still positive 9d squared. Question 2n. We have in the brackets r squared plus 3t squared plus 9 minus, in the brackets, 2r squared plus 3t squared minus 4. So let's copy the first bracket out. We don't need a bracket anymore. So r squared plus 3 squared plus 9 minus 2r squared minus 3t squared minus and minus plus, so plus 4. Let's collect the like terms. So we have negative r squared and t's cancel out, plus 30. Okay, question 2. X into 3x squared minus 2x plus 5, and simply 3x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 5x. Question 2b. Okay, we have 7y squared into 2 minus 5y plus 3y squared. So that is equal to 14y squared minus 35y cubed plus 21y to the power of 4. Okay. Let's carry on to cube. I have negative 2y squared 5 minus 7y plus 3y squared. That is negative 10y squared plus 14y cubed minus 6y to the 4th to r. We have 7x minus 2 plus 3x plus 4 minus 6x minus 2. Let's expand it out first. So we have 7x minus 14 plus 3x plus 12 minus 6x plus 12. Collect the x's, so 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, so that's 4x. Negative 40 plus 12 is negative 2, negative 2 plus 12 is plus 10. And to s, what do we have? We have 5x minus 3 times 4 minus 2x plus 6. Let's just copy the first and last terms and expand the brackets. So it's 5x minus 12 plus 6x plus 6. So what I have, 5x plus 6x is 11x. Minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6. Okay, so let's just bring it here. Okay, so 2t. What do we have? So we have 3x squared minus x times 3 minus 4x plus 7. Let's expand, so 3x squared minus 3x plus 4x squared plus 7. So that is 7x squared minus 3x plus 7. Okay, and to u. So just bring this down even more. So we have 4x into x plus 3 minus 2x 3x minus 7. So that is 4x squared plus 12x minus 6x squared plus 14 which of course is equal to negative 2x squared, negative 14x, sorry, negative 2x squared plus 26x, and finally to b, I have 3x squared into 2x plus 1 minus 5x squared to 3x minus 4. Let's expand first. That will be 6x cubed plus 3x squared minus 15x cubed plus 20x squared. So that is negative 9x cubed plus 23x squared. Thank you very much. Welcome. Let's wrap it up with question 3 in exercise 1a. This time we'll be simplifying the fractions. So in order to do that, we will be taking the fraction apart in the correct way. So let's have a look. 6x to the power of 4 plus 10x to the power of 6 divided by 2x. Let's write it as a sum of two fractions. So that's 6x to the power of 4 over 2x plus 10x to the 6 over 2x. Well, now let's simplify each fraction. So the first one will be 3x to the power of 3 plus 5x to the power of 5. Question 3b. We'll do all of these problems in the same way. So 3x 5 minus x to the 7 divided by x. Well, that is simply 3x to the 5 over x minus x to the 7 over x. So that is 3x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 6. Okay. Let's try 3c here. So 2x to the 4 minus 4x squared divided by 4x. This is the same as 2x to the power of 4 over 4x minus 4x squared over 4x. So this is we can write it as x cubed over 2, because 2 over 4 is just a half, minus x. Okay. Question 3d. We have 8x cubed plus 5x over 2x, which is 8x cubed over 2x plus 5x over 2x. Well, 8 over 2 is just 4, so that's 4x squared plus x's will cancel out, but 5 over 2, I guess the simplest way to write it is just 5 over 2. Okay. 3e. Let's write it out. So 7x to the power of 7 plus 5x squared divided by 5x. Nothing new, we're going to do exactly the same thing. So 7x to the 7 divided by 5x plus 5x squared divided by 5x. 7 over 5 cannot be really simplified, so we'll write it as 7 over 5x to the power of 6 plus 5 over 5 is 1, and x squared over x is just x. And finally, 3f will have 9x to the 5 minus 5x cubed divided by 3x. Let's write it out. It's as 9x5 over 3x minus 5x cubed over 3x. Well, this will be 3x to the power of 4 minus 5 over 3x squared. Okay, that is chapter 1a on